Hi there guys, doing it a little bit different this year, starting the year off with a little modification to my 1.4 TSI Jetta. Best mod ever, a free one.
Drive hard and have fun.
So this modification is literally just for some better sound. It's not to say that you're gonna gain any performance. I like the sound, so that's why I'm doing it. I'm gonna show you guys. It is absolutely free and it only takes a few minutes to do. Let's get into it. As you can see, it is all to do with the little airbox. The design of the TSI 1.4 TSI airbox is everything goes into the bottom part of the airbox, so anything and everything on top, well, doesn't matter. So this is how quick and how fast it is. You've got one screw right here, one screw there, one screw there, and one screw there. It pops off and you've got a hell of a lot better sounding car. Let's quickly remove it. Done all the screws. You literally just take it to on the one. You literally just lift it up, and there you have it. I recently changed the air filter, so it's a brand spanking new one. The nice thing about this filter on the 1.4 TSI, it is absolutely shaped as a cone filter, so well, I guess it's gonna sound like a cold air intake. Yeah, there we go. That's it. Easy peasy. Let's quickly do a cold start. Excuse the weird angles. This is pretty much free-handing it today.